There are many ways to define a laser beam diameter, but the DataRay software supports many different beam diameter definitions. So if we go to our software, on the left side, you'll notice the major and minor field. This is the default major and minor method. It's using the clip level diameters that are also shown at the bottom of the software. You'll see the 13.5% diameter, also known as the 1/e squared diameter, on the left and right, as well as the 50% clip level diameter, also again in the major and minor on the left and right. What's a clip level diameter? Essentially, the way we define a clip level diameter is we look at the peak intensity and we look at when that peak intensity drops to a certain percentage, we define that as the edge of the laser beam. 1/e squared is the 13.5% of the peak intensity. You'll also see 50% diameters, also known as full width at half max. If you want to change these definitions at any point, you can go to the clip A and clip B buttons at the top left and left click them. In the new window that appears, you can quick select 1/e squared, full width at half max, 86.5%, or use a custom clip level that you want to use. Not all beam diameters use a clip level diameter. So for example, there's ISO 11146 diameters and also DXX diameters, which are a power in the bucket type diameter. If you want to use one of these, you can go to Setup, use ISO 11146 compliant diameters or DXX mode. First, I'll show you ISO 11146 diameters. Now on the left side of the screen, you'll notice that major and minor has been replaced with major ISO and minor ISO. These are the major and minor diameters according to ISO 11146. They're based off of a standard deviation, so they're entirely different than how clip diameters work. Keep in mind, it's an ISO standard, so it's very well defined and widely accepted, so it's great for comparing to other results or peer-reviewed papers. If you want to use power in the bucket style calculations, you can just go to Setup and choose DXX mode. Now the profiler is calculating power in the bucket style calculations. What do I mean by that? Essentially, the diameter is chosen to encompass a certain percentage of the total beam power. By default, we use 86.5% in the software, but this is a value that you can change.